Tiffany, are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
I want to go fast.
Oh, okay. So I want to go forward. All right.
I want to go forward.
20 miles, 40 miles, 60 miles?
80 miles.
80 miles, okay. Put it on the tables. Ooh, 80 miles. Now, pick a card. You put a card on the table, you take another one. It's Anna's turn. Anna, what do you want to do? All right. What do you want to do?
I want to
Block. Ooh. With a
red light.
Oh, with the red light. No, you're blocked. You can't go forward anymore. You can't. I'm sorry. Pick a card. Excellent.
I have a solution.
Ah. Okay. Say,
Look. I have a green light.
Yes. Put it down. Okay.
Oh,
You
no.
are good. And don't forget. Pick a card.
Okay.
Hey. Anna, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I want to go forward.
Ah, I want to go forward
40
miles. 40 miles. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Now, don't forget to pick a card. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I'm going to block her.
Oh,
No.
block with a
Traffic jam.
ooh, traffic jam. Yeah, it's a traffic jam. It is. We have a traffic jam situation here. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
I
have
a solution.
a solution.
Ah,
Ha.
it's
Clear.
clear. No more traffic jam. No more traffic jam. Okay. Did you pick a card? Pick a card. Pick a card.
Pick a card.
Yeah. Okay. Tiffany's turn. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I want to go forward.
Ah. How many miles? How many?
20.
Oh, 20
Slowly.
miles. Okay, 20 miles. Okay.
And I pick a card.
Pick a card. Pick a card. Okay. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I want to block her.
Oh.
With a picnic break.
Oh. Ooh, what do you want to do?
I'm stuck. I have to pick a card.
Ah, yes, you have to pick a card.
Yes!
Aha, she's stuck.
And I'm still stuck.
She's stuck. Go.
I want to go forward. 40 miles.
Yeah, okay, so now, quick break. So, the students will keep going until they get to 300 miles. The first team that gets to 300 or goes a little over, it's fine, wins. And sometimes, of course, you can get stuck. So all you have to do is
Pick cards.
pick a card. But remember, you can't have more than 5 cards in your hands. Okay. So maybe sometimes you'll have to put cards on the side. Okay, or under the deck. Okay. Ooh, I feel like these guys actually want to keep playing, so I'm gonna let these guys keep playing. Okay. Bye.
Bye.